Hello, myself Sagar Chauhan, and I am currently pursuing my BTech in Computer Science from Bennett University. Now, here I am going to tell about my design thinking and innovation project named Ankuram. Ankuram is an online learning platform which helps your child to grow in their study by providing great tutors to them. Now, in building of this great platform, our mentor Dr. Tapas Badal helps us a lot throughout the project. And our team consists of three members, myself Sagar, Garvit and Adarsh. Now here you can see a brief description of Ankuram. Ankuram is a platform where student can connect with other student and helps each other to learn something new and creative. Let's talk about some exciting feature of Ankuram. Here you will get all the study material together at one place. You can make live meeting with your tutor. Here doubt solving is the major part of this platform. Mm, Now you can see how our platform works to enhance student knowledge with easily manageable system. First you have to find a tutor of your own choice and create account to get unique student ID and then enroll in a course which you like, and now you learn, and now your learning journey will start from here.
We have basically used these technologies. Figma is for prototyping, and HTML is used. HTML and CSS combinedly are used for front-end development. JavaScript JavaScript is also used for front-end, and Django is for back-end. MySQL is used to maintain the database of students as well as teachers. These are some of the highlights which we have keep in our mind while solving the problem which nowadays students are facing in online studies. Like no need to search in our platform. There is no need to search here. You can get world-class tutors and you can enroll them directly, and there is 24/7 availability of doubt solving, and you can choose any teacher you want. There is no commission which will be charged by the platform itself. You have the students just have to pay to the teacher directly, and they can start their learning journey.
Now here it comes how our journey begins. First of all, we made a good team which can solve problems in today's world. Then we came with the new ideas which can help us in this project or bring the online education system higher. Then we decided to build a team, a platform for students to find a tutor which can help in their daily learnings. From here, our learnings and research of online education platform starts. We faced many challenges during formation during this project, finding new members related to our domain, analyzing the online education to find all those things which need improvements, learning new softwares like Figma, HTML, Django, implementation of thoughts which came in mind which enhance the quality of our platform. Now there are some sources and references which we came through. We have visited some sites: W3 School, Stack Overflow, Stories, YouTube, MyTutor, Andro.com, etc. Now, major contribution regarding this project, Sagar has made a user interface and user experience, documentation, and designing. Others handle the database and backend and research and resource finding, and I, Garvit, front-end development, feedback, and debugging. Thank you.